Hey Criticers, I'm Niklas from the GridUp team. Today I'm going to show you how to build an infinite carousel slider directly in Webflow that scrolls seamlessly, like this one or this one. They are built as custom sliders directly in Webflow, so we will use pre-built components from our GridUp library to speed up the building process so you get your results done as fast as possible. Let's get started. To do this, we click on the GridUp icon, go to Components, then Sections, and then Sliders. We will scroll down and you can see that there are many different sliders in our library. So for this tutorial we will select slider 20 and copy it. We paste it into the main wrapper on our page. And we can see that custom script was used for the slider. First we click on the slider and now we see the CSS embed and the JavaScript embed. If we open the CSS embed and scroll up, we see a link there, which we extract with cmd.x and save. Now we go to the page where we want to place the slider. Paste the link with cmdv and save. Now we see that the images appear in the background because we have inserted the link. Now we preview it on the subdomain. It may take a moment until it's published. Now we can already see that the slider works. We can click through and it's already endless. That means it runs through without interruption. Now we go back again and see the JavaScript embed. Open it and can see the custom code. Here we can further customize the slider by setting various settings like loop, which is an infinity loop when the value is set to true. This was already set to true as default here. You can also set the auto width, trudge drag, pull drag and mouse drag, which are set to false by default. You can also configure whether the dots should be visible or hidden. You can also define how many images should be displayed by device. We have configured that from 1000 pixels, 5 images should be displayed. Up 600 pixels, 3 images will be displayed. And for everything below 600 pixels, only 1 image will be displayed. Further down, we can adjust the slider speed. It is important to know that the higher the number, the slower the transition will be. And the lower the number, the faster the transition will be. We have to set this for both transitions, next and previous. Now we save and close the window again and move on to the CSS embed. If we have now configured dots, we can additionally customize them here. At the moment they are set to 9 pixels height and width. We can change that here and for example display them as lines with a width of 30 pixels and a height of 1 pixel. We can further adjust the color and the border radius, as well as set the color when the dot is active. Furthermore, we can adjust the slider height, which of course should be adjusted to the images we are going to use. At the moment we have a setting of 417 pixels height, as well as one mobile 250 pixels. You can also add more breakpoints for further differentiations. Let's save and preview it one more time. Now we see that the dots have changed as well, and we can see lines instead. As a last step, we can now modify the slider arrows native in Webflow. We can see here that the 2 classes have been created for the next and the previous arrow. Now we can change the height of the icons in Webflow, for example. By default we use embeds here, but you can also change them to any other icon. Thank you for watching this video today. If you want to learn more about slider customization, we have summarized all options in the document. I'm going to share you this in the description below. I hope you enjoyed it. Also let me know what's your thoughts about the video and I will see you in the next one.